Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech for All. If you are new on this my channel, I request you kindly to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch every video I uploaded and got notification of every video as soon as possible. Today we are discussing an important topic which is about to Android powered laptop. Reliance launches JioBook, its maiden Android powered laptop. Jio Platform has quietly launched its first laptop, entering into a new product category as the Indian telecom giant aggressively expand its offering. The laptop called it JioBook runs on JioOS, a custom Android-based OS that has been optimized for superior performance and local languages support. The laptop manufactured in India is selling at 15,799 Indian rupees or $190 with up to $60 in discount with certain banking and call partner. A JioBook, which also ships bundle with several Jio apps and Microsoft 365 services, has been in the works for at last 2 years. The company quietly demonstrated it at Indian Mobile Congress trade show event last month. JioBook's specification, as you would have guessed, are not very high, and it sports a 11.6-inch HD display with a screen resolution of 1366 by 768. It is powered by a Qualcomm 64-bit 2 GHz octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, but the laptop ships with an embedded SIM card enabling out-of-the-box port for 4G Lite connectivity. The film says on its store page that JioBook features up to 126 GB of flash storage and can last up to 8 hours on a single charge. The laptop is the latest of a series of business. Reliance, the Indian conglomerate and the parent firm of Jio Partners, has entered in recent years. A firm led by billionaire Mukesh Ambani entered the telecom business 6 years ago and quickly became the top service provider in the country thanks to the network trade data and voice tariffs. Jio Platform, which secured over $20 billion in funding from over 10 investors in 2020, including Meta and Google, has also launched feature phones and smartphones in the past half decade. The company Jio phone next smartphone went on a sale last year. Jio Platform has worked closely with Google to develop a custom Android operating system for the smartphone. The company appears to have ambitious plans with the JioBook routers, which scoped the laptop's imminent unveiling plan earlier this month, said Reliance plans to sell hundreds of thousands of units by March. Jio did not immediately respond to the request for that comments. Specification, as you would have guessed, are not a very high end. It sports 11.6-inch LCD display. The film says on its storage page that the JioBook feature 128 GB flash storage. The laptop is the latest of series business. Reliance. Mukesh Ambani entered the telecom business 6 years ago, quickly become the top service provider in this country in India thanks to network curator media. The laptop, also called JioBooks, runs JioOS, a custom Android-based OS that has been optimized for superior performance and local language support. Laptop manufactured in India and are selling over the world. So that's where our detailed video recording to the Android-powered laptop. So hope you have like it. If you like it, kindly share it with your friends and family. We'll meet on the next video. Thanks.